What's good, what's good? It's your boy Melvin. You already know the deal. Right now we're gonna be doing a little clip so you guys can know more about me with my boy Initial. We're gonna go pick up the homie Angel, the gayest one in the group. But like they're gonna be following me around. You know, we're about to do some shit. A little clip for you guys. So what's good? We here at Angel's pad. You know, we came to pick this foot up, but that foot taking forever, like always. Little fat bitch. But sick ass truck. Initial's truck. And fucking, we just waiting right here. Shit, repping the Initials hat. How it gotta be. You already know what's up. Go cop yours. Go hit up Initials for your hat and shit. We still outside Angel's house. This was taking forever. You know, it's been a cool last minute. He has his door open, but doesn't even come out. Look, he's gonna come out in like 20 minutes. Watch. He's taking a shit. Catch out right now in a bit. When he comes out, stops taking the shit real quick. Okay, I'll catch out in a bit. You ready, bitch?
Nah, not really.
Oh yeah, my boy repping that Initials. That's how it gotta be.
You know, just got out the house. Almost fucking mad at me, but it's okay. I don't care.
My boy. You know,
Hey, the cameraman, Initials.
Yeah, gotta know what's up, my boy. You know.
You know, because my mom's mad, we're gonna take some edibles just to calm the.
What's
the
this,
day
my
down.
boy? You smoking without me?
The fuck is this,
A
nigga?
little raw piece, my boy. You smoking
Yeah, I'm
without
smoking
me?
without you, nigga.
Weak ass food. You know we don't smoke without each other. It's right there.
Well, I think I have roaches hidden here.
No,
We're gonna finish these hoes.
both?
Nah.
Oh.
Nah, all of them, fool. Look.
They kill. You said they're nasty.
We'll hurt coming for all of you. Vámonos a la verga.
Vámonos. Catch y'all there.
It's 11:11 right now. I wish for Clave to blow up in this year. That's all I wish for.
We're about to go eat and shit, you know, Mexican food.
And Initials to blow up.
Yeah, food Initials for sure is gonna blow up. You just gotta know how to show a little too much. Some Mexican food, you shot Monday. You know, fucking.
For y'all that don't know, I don't know how to sing. Initials just puts hella auto-tune on my shit.
That was good. We at Clave's spot, like we be coming here every time we're drunk, high, faded, anything, my boy. And like, you know, we be getting this shit, my boy. Look how bomb that shit is. God damn.
El compa Initials couldn't wait. He just had to eat.
Oh,
Eating his plate already.
With the lower chopped, I thought it was gonna be. I usually get this, but compare that shit.
He's too broke, so he had to get the small.
Fool, I have money, bro. I showed you, bro. Shut your ass up. Come on. Alright, well, we're gonna eat. You know, I'll catch y'all later. When we're gonna go to Guitar Center in a bit. Jam out there, so we'll catch you guys there in a bit.
Alright, so I'm taking over this nigga shit because, you know, he's kind of gay. But we're here at a Guitar Center, echamos unas rolitas, a ver qué nos encontramos. Probably nobody because it's early as fuck, but. Ready?
We're gonna be playing some exclusive, just so you guys can know. You know what we're bringing out soon. Just
Pa' que se lo esperen, soon as fuck, exclusive shit. Ya estoy relajado, me encuentro tomando de ese vaso que te pone feliz. Forjando un backward, seguimos quemando. Las cuentas van bien, no es por presumir. Siempre
I fucked up in the little part.
That's like, hey, they heard the little exclusive, they already know, so they know what's coming.
A little mistakes, but in the fucking future, they're gonna be fucking dope as fuck. Like straight up. Fool, I'm fucking faded. No, this shit like my second home, cause like I be practicing here with Clive and like we're always jamming out in Guitar Center. Like if you guys ever see me at Guitar Center and you say what's up, I'm always hearing shit like the Guitar Center. I'm in a valley and like I'm with my boy Angel all the time and shit.
We're always here. It's clave. A ver, if y'all want to meet us, just come here and we're probably going to be here. Real shit.
Hell yeah. We're always faded too.
Little pedazo del humillado, our song.
Just-
You know. Ready, pa?
The shit that made us, baby.
Hey.
Well, not baby, but
Watch, he's going to go off on it. I'm going to make him go off on it. Do some shit that no one has seen.
I'll try.
Alright, ya está. Un San Judas que me cuida, un tiro también para arriba, para todos a mi lado. Por ello yo doy respaldo cuando yo no era nada, cuando todos me humillaban, hasta propia sangre dice cosas que son puras mentiras. En esta vida tienes que chingarle un Xanax para relajarme, para tener lo que ahorita yo tengo, mucho riesgo y esfuerzo. Un whiskyito para enfiestarme, un gallito para viajarme, con la clica negociando en lo treco va pa' largo. Empezamos desde abajo, aquí estamos para quedarnos. El ese de patrones va sonando, doble vaso voy llenando, el spray ya está morado, bien viajado sigo quemando. Ahí quedó.
Fake cosas, that's a song I'll fucking play that.
This is my last one. Evito las malas vibras, es muy cierto, hay niveles en la vida. Propio paso, duro mi propia línea, no les miento, la subida fue putiza. Muy contento de mi puesto porque me gustó, el notar el movimiento ando noche con cortada, tomando riesgos pa' tener más dos. Feria gasto y a la misma vez la duplicó. Ganamos en lo mismo y va pa' largo por correo, llega tu mandado. Área 530 radicamos, de 209 la clic con este respaldo. Ya de la galleta o la hallado, salen semanales nada mayor. De chaval fue costumbre, me gustaban los billetes, caminaba por la lumbre, me echaba unos ladrillos. Los cholos de mi cuadrilla me enseñaron la movida, le pido disculpas a mi madrecita, no es culpa de nadie, Dios confiesa vida. Si me va bien le va mejor a mi familia, tatuado en la mente de eso fue su principal. Mi consuelo es el dinero y a los gastos impensados, adictos querer más por. Como banco para meter lana, en vez de zapatos pa' guardo en la caja. Ya se me está haciendo todo esto normal, viene un mal día, nunca me va mal. Indica activa las fibras y el jarabe la tostita, aunque no estén cremoritas, son las cosas de la clica. No creo que lo entenderías, tú no sabes de esta vida. Estamos mi raza. Alright, Melvin, well, I'm gonna leave you to do the rest of your video. I hope you do it chingón, pa.
I look, you don't like how it sounds. I don't know, bro. But El Capitan goes hard, dog. Like, that shit was banging, like. Fool, I need a fucking 5-string bass, like. For the people watching, I'm gonna get a 5-string bass next, and then a 5-string bajoloche. No, I'm gonna be adding to my collection every year. Just wait on some new basses and new bajoloches. Shit's gonna be hard. Like, I'll catch y'all next time and shit on the next vlog or bass cover or tutorial. Like and shit, comment down and shit what I should do more, and I'll catch y'all till next time. I mean, my bad. Puro initials, puro menú se les hagan en la música, es todo. Peace.